everyone, my name is Mahreen Yasir, an aspiring student at Mindsmart Academy. Welcome back to Day 2, Calculus and Stats awaits for you with limits, derivatives and integrals to know. We'll solve it all, let's get ready to go. Let's start with limits. They help us see how functions behave as x approaches c. The limit of a function as x is closer to a specific number is equals to L. Don't you know? Limits help a function grow. Now on to derivatives, what do we do? The derivative of x to the power of n with respect to x equals n times x to the power of n minus 1. That's the clue. For the product rule, we multiply the derivative of u times v with respect to x. The derivative of u times v plus u times the derivative of v. Give it a try. Chain rule next. Here's the way. The derivative with respect to x of f of g of x equals the derivative of f with g of x inside x times the derivative of g with respect to x all day. For sine and cosine we derive with each. The derivative of sine x with respect to x is cosine x. It's a brief. Calculus, limits and more. Derivatives help us open the door. With rules in hand we find the way. Calculus shines every day. Now for integrals, here we go. The reverse of derivatives, as you know. The integrals of x to the power of n is equal to x, the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Integrals makes functions p. For sine and cosine is easy as a pie. The integrals of sine x with respect to x is equals to negative cosine x plus c. Let's give it a try. And for cos x, here's the trick. The integrals of cosine of x with respect to x equals sine of x plus a constant. Do it quick. Define integrals help us see. The area under curves is easy as can be. The integrals from a to b of g of f of x with respect to x is equals to f of b minus f of a. We calculate areas day by day. Integrals. Areas we find. Calculus is power. It sharpens the mind. With curves and lines we see the way. Integrals guide us every day. Now let's talk about statistics. It's key to analyze data for you and me. The mean is the average. Is simple and clear. X bar equals the summation of x divided by n. That's clear. The median is the middle value you see. When data is in order, that's what will be. And mode is the number that shows up most. Statistics help us find it coast to coast. Variance and standard derivations too. Sigma squared equals the sum of squared difference between each number and average divided by the total number of values. Now u. Standard deviation equals the square root of the variance. We measure speed. We measure spread. Statistics help us get ahead. Statistics. Data we know. Mean, median, mode. They help it show. With variance and deviation we find the way. Statistics shines every day. 2 days of maths we learned so much. Geometry, calculus and stats and such. Keep practicing. Maths always near. You're a math star. Loud and clear. Thank you.